A lot of players are getting hundreds and even thousands of Robux in Please Donate by selling game passes. So keep watching and I'll show you the easiest way to create game passes and sell them in Please Donate using your Android or iPhone's Roblox app. So let's start earning Robux. We'll start right from the beginning. So open your Roblox app and from the bottom right corner tap on More. Scroll down, then tap on Create. When it loads, you'll see your place here. And we're gonna create game passes using your place or experience. But you need to make sure that it says public just like you see here. If it says private, then tap on these three dots right next to your place's name, then tap on Make Public. Now we're ready to start creating game passes. So click on your place again. Now we need to open the side panel by clicking on this hamburger menu. From there, scroll down and find passes. Tap on it. And as you can see here, we have already created a few game passes which you saw earlier. You just need to tap on Create a Pass. You'll get an option to add an image for your game pass. After that, you'll need to add a name. You can just type in donation, or you can write something creative. Then you can scroll down and tap on Create Pass. It will take us back, but you'll notice it says off sale. It's because we haven't set a Robux amount yet. To do that, just tap on the Game Pass, then open the side panel again, tap on Sales, toggle on Item for Sale, and now put in your Robux price. This is the amount that people will donate. Just remember that you'll get only 70% of your earnings, so for this pass, we will get 258 Robux. Now that it's cleared up, just tap on Save Changes, and it will say Pass updated successfully. Now if you go back to passes, you'll see it no longer says off sale. So just like that, we have created our game pass. And following the same way, you can create up to 50 game passes, so you can start from a low amount like 5 Robux and work your way up to thousands of Robux as you can see here. Okay, now that we have created all our game passes, let's launch Please Donate and claim a stand. You should be able to see your game pass right here, and you'll get all the Robux that you need on Please Donate. And don't forget to give us a like and subscribe so that we can make more Roblox videos. I'll see you around.